Most gardeners waste orange peels. Here's the right way to use them for healthier cucumber plants. If your cucumber plants keep producing lots of leaves but very few cucumbers, don't rush to buy another fertilizer. Because the biggest mistake isn't always what you feed the plant, it's when you feed it. And today, I'm going to show you a simple way to reuse something most people throw away, orange peels, and, more importantly, the only stage when it's actually worth using. Stay until the end because one small timing mistake can make this completely useless. Orange peels are often promoted online as a miracle fertilizer. The truth is much more interesting. They are not a replacement for balanced plant nutrition. Instead, orange peels contain tiny amounts of natural plant compounds such as pectin, flavonoids, essential oils, and trace minerals. While these compounds aren't present in high enough quantities to feed a hungry cucumber plant, they can become a gentle organic soil supplement when prepared correctly. That difference is what most videos never explain. Start with one fresh orange peel. Cut it into small pieces. Smaller pieces expose more surface area, allowing water to extract a small amount of the naturally occurring compounds more efficiently. Place the pieces into a clean glass jar. Now pour in about 250 milliliters of warm water, roughly 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Warm, not hot. You're simply encouraging gentle extraction, not cooking the peel. Give it a light stir. Now leave it to soak for around 4 hours. During this time, only a small portion of the natural compounds moves into the water, creating a mild citrus infusion. After soaking, stir once more and strain out the peel pieces. At this stage, don't pour it straight onto your plants. This is where many gardeners go wrong. Always dilute the liquid with about 1 liter of clean water. Dilution reduces the concentration of natural citrus oils, making the solution gentler for roots and helping maintain a healthier environment for beneficial soil organisms. But here's the part that matters far more than the recipe itself. Timing. Never use this on newly planted cucumber seedlings. Young roots are still establishing themselves and benefit much more from consistent watering and healthy soil than from any homemade amendment. Wait until your cucumber plant has been growing for about 2 to 3 weeks, when new leaves are appearing regularly and the root system is well established. That's the stage where the soil, not just the plant, can benefit from gentle organic additions. Before applying the solution, lightly loosen the top layer of soil around the base of the plant. Don't dig deeply. You're simply helping water soak into the soil instead of running across the surface. Now slowly pour the diluted solution around the root zone. Avoid wetting the leaves, flowers, or developing fruit. The roots do the absorbing, not the leaves. A slow, even application gives moisture time to move into the soil where the active roots are growing. Now here's something every successful gardener eventually learns. No homemade solution, not orange peel, banana peel, coffee grounds, or eggshells, can replace the basics. Healthy cucumber plants depend on consistent watering, rich soil, enough sunlight, proper spacing, and balanced nutrition. Miss one of those, and no secret ingredient can compensate. But when those essentials are already in place, small organic amendments like this can become one more tool in a healthy gardening routine. That's the real secret. Not magic. Not miracle fertilizers. Just understanding what your plants actually need, and giving it to them at the right time. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, what's growing in your garden right now. I'd love to hear what you're planting, and I might feature your favorite crop in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.